Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a team member in Trello. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to add a team member to a board, specifically in Trello. What we're going to do over here is we are in this board. Make sure that you're in the board that you'd like to share. Go ahead, on the top right hand side there is the share button. You're going to click on this, and over here you can add in an email address if you would like to add in the email address, and then you can click on share. Or you can go and click on this section over here. Make sure that it says member and not observer. An observer will not be able to interact with any of the cards. Make sure that it says member. Go ahead over here and click on create link. You can now also change the permissions. So here, this person will be able to join as a member. They can edit the cards and do what they need to do. And simply click on copy link. All right, you'll be able to then send this link to them. And when you open this up again, you'll see right over here, the board members. You'll see the list of people that are active within this board, and you can see all of their permissions as well. You can change that over here from admin to member to observer, and then you can literally just click on the remove member, or for me personally, I'll have to click on leave board, but they'll have to be an admin member so that the board does have an owner. There we go. Now you can create your team within your Trello board.